In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file to your Wix website. Whether you're a business owner looking to share data with clients or an individual wanting to display your research, this guide will walk you through each step to make the process as seamless as possible. Let's dive in and start with the basics. First things first, you need to prepare your Excel file. This is an essential step before you can upload it to your Wix site. Ensure your spreadsheet is neatly organized and contains all the data you wish to share. Depending on your needs, you can save it as an .xlsx file, which is the standard Excel format, or as a .csv file if you're looking for a simpler format, particularly useful when dealing with table data. These file types are crucial because they will determine how the data is handled on the website. Next, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard, which is the control center for all your website customization needs. Here, you'll want to find the Edit Site button. Clicking this will open the Wix editor where you can start making changes and additions to your website. The Wix editor is user-friendly and intuitive, so even if you're new to website building, you'll find it straightforward to navigate. Now, let's talk about adding your Excel file to your site. There are two main methods to consider depending on how you want your visitors to interact with the file. The first option is to upload your Excel file as a downloadable document. To do this, start by clicking the Add Plus button in the editor. From here, you can choose either a button or a text link depending on what fits best with your site's design. Once you've made your selection, go to Link and select Document. From this menu, choose Upload Document, and finally locate the Excel file you prepared earlier and upload it. By setting it up this way, visitors to your site can easily click the button or link you created to download your spreadsheet directly to their device. This approach allows you to share detailed data in an accessible format while maintaining a professional look for your site. It also ensures that users who need to work with your data can do so in a format they're familiar with using software like Excel or any compatible spreadsheet programs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to upload and share Excel files directly on your Wix website. As you proceed with these steps, remember to periodically preview your site to make sure everything looks and functions as you envisioned. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your website with downloadable Excel files.